Hey, what up guys? Thanks for watching the video. We had a big job this day, probably about 15 to 18 removals, 2 trims, and 4-man crew. It was a big job, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. So we're going to start in the back left side of the house, walking around, great view, great gardening, so obviously we're going to be pretty careful with the machinery. We're going to do a trim and 3 removals back here and then move along to the other side where most of the job is going to be at. Going around the back of the house, we're going to end up on the right hand side from the front. We got a large section of popples to remove. Last time I counted, there's 12 to 13 in this little area. Most of them are pretty tall, not that big of a round, so don't really want to add too much weight onto them. However, we're going to hang most of these from themselves, and then we're going to top a couple and chunk logs down in the garden area below, working just as efficiently as possible with a 3 or 4-man crew at this time. And so really just trying to bust the day out, keep everything moving, and get stuff down as fast as possible. So here we have our foreman, Aaron. He's making a few topping cuts on the rope, allowing us to lower them down and get them out of the area easily without going over the sidewalk or ruining the grass or anything too much. A couple nice big cuts. He chunked the rest of the logs down and everything went nice and smooth. It was a good day. Thanks for clicking on the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This is just our first one. I'm really pushing it hard this day, so there'll be a lot more to come, a lot better videos in the future. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, share. There'll be a lot more for you guys to see in the future, so take it easy until we see you again.